Alright guys, here we are recording how to do pair your remote control to your car. Alright, let's try. Close the door and open it. First the door has to be open, and very easy, very simple to do. 8 times to a starting point. 1, 7, and 8. Now you hear the lock going on. You have a couple of seconds to press the unlock button for one, and the press lock for the other one, so it works. So you hear, and that's all what you have to do. You take the key out, and now the thing works, and the other one as well. All right, so the thing works. What happens here is we bought this key. It's called a simple key. We pair it, and that simple key comes with this little device what you hook up under the dashboard. So that way you can pair, because it has a chip, so you can pair it to the thing. But it's very convenient. For like around $90, you get this key, and it helps you a lot. Now you follow the directions and get it done. But the problem was the remote control wasn't pairing right, because when I pair one, I didn't pair the other one. I forget to push the button at the same second. So now I did it pushing. You have like 10 seconds, so you can 20 seconds to pair both, or up to 6 keys with the SIM card. So that's all what we got for you two guys. Hopefully you got any good any knowledge in this video, and if you have any knowledge, or you find any interesting, or this is helpful to you, please smash that like button, subscribe, and so you can see more videos like this. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.